In this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust the width of your columns and the height of your rows. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, first, I'm going to start with this column. I want this column to be much wider, so I'll increase the width. To increase the width, hover over it, and you should see we have this cursor with two sides expansion. Go ahead and click on it and then move as you wish. You can also do the same on the inside if you wish so, and it will be adjusted. So you can adjust this to the width that you so wish. Now, to increase the size of this row, it's also simple. Just hover over to the line of the row, for instance like this, and then just drag it down to adjust to the size that you wish. You can also adjust the size of any of the row inside here, just as you wish. So that's how you can adjust the sizes of your columns and rows in Microsoft Word tables. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.